Hi everybody, this is Blanca from LogicWing, and I am starting a video series where I'm going to share some of my absolute favorite websites for you to use with your students. So the very first website that I am going to share with you is really one of my favorites. It's called World Science University. So worldscienceu.com, and it is a website where you can go and find content, little mini courses that scientists have created with an instructional designer that talk about different aspects of science. So it could be a mini course on astrophysics, or a mini course on CRISPR, or it could be like a Nobel laureate, a physicist who invented something. So there's all these really super awesome courses that you can take to get you more familiar about some of these topics so that you can hand it over to your kids, or you can send your kids to take some of these courses, which is pretty awesome. So you can use it in a variety of different ways just to differentiate your instruction, or you could simply have them go online if they're interested in learning more about a topic. I'm going to walk you through the website a little bit. It's super easy to join and to sign up. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. All right, so as you can see, I've opened up to the URL worldscienceu.com. That's the World Science University homepage, and there are tabs at the top, so home, courses, faculty, and live sessions. There's a button that says browse courses, which will take you to kind of a list view, and then they've got some featured courses here, and these are actually different topics that you can scroll through. So if you're looking to get started immediately to see what these courses look like, go ahead and select the back and forward arrows so that you can see some of the topics that are available. Black holes, nanotechnology, CRISPR. So this is one of my favorite topics. So I'm going to go ahead and click on CRISPR. And you'll see that you get a nice overview of the course, who your professor is going to be, and you'll see the modules over here on the left-hand side. But if you click on the actual module title, you'll see that you're expanding and expanding the different activities. So in module 1, you've got a video, then a short exercise, a discussion forum, another video, and then this particular module has more than 4 different activities, so then you can continue to use the forward and back buttons so that you can see how long it might take you approximately. Each of the different courses can take anywhere from 45 minutes to, an hour plus. But honestly, you can take these on your own time. And if you've ever gotten lost on YouTube and scrolled through video after video after video, and an hour and a half has disappeared, I'm sure some of these courses are going to feel like that to you. So you may watch a video, you may engage yourself in a discussion, you may end up clicking some kind of a link that takes you off into another place to learn more information, but it's really all up to you. And all these courses are free. So like I said, use it in your curriculum, use it with kids that you know are super interested in these things, send them off to World Science U and let them go through. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that there's this course progress bar. So as you it'll tell you exactly where you are, and as you complete each section, you'll see it turn green. I'm going to go ahead and log in so that it keeps track of my course. So I'll click on login. I'm going to go ahead and use Google to sign in, but you can sign in with Facebook as well. Alrighty, so here we go. So I'm going to go back and find my CRISPR course. Now again, you can select a course that's been featured, or you can click on the Browse Courses button, which will take you to the Courses tab, and then you'll be able to narrow down your topic of interest, or you can do what I do, which is, oh my God, this is so cool. So I'm just going to scroll down and find something that I have either worked on before. So I know this one's 50% complete, or I'm just going to start something new. All right. I can also use this search button, and there we go. I just typed in CRISPR. There's actually 2 different courses that talk about CRISPR, and I'm going to start this second one here. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on video. This is gonna be an introduction. You get instructions on how to use the different links and stuff. So I'm gonna show you some of the different ways that you can use the video tools, the video features. If you need closed captioning, you can click on the CC. Now let's say that I don't want the subtitles in English. I can click on this little settings button and I can see if there are any other languages that I can translate what's going on into. So there are, and I'm just going to go ahead and make that a little smaller. So I've got all of these different languages that, again, they're going to be auto translated. So I'm just going to pick Korean here and then start the play button again. For those of you speaking another language, you can take a look at closed captioning in your native language if you want. What you can also do is you can change the playback speed. So if you're like me and you speak very fast and you're used to speaking and listening very fast at a faster speed than maybe the average person, you can always change the playback speed to something a little slower or something a little faster. Sometimes we only have like 5 minutes to listen to a video and we want to get to the meaty part. So maybe we do it at a faster speed and then slow it down when we need to. The other nice thing here is that playback speed can be customized. So let's say that I don't want to run it at 1.25, but maybe 1.15 is a little bit better for me. I can go into the custom button and change that. How cool is that? So you can do that with any YouTube video, by the way, which is awesome. If I click on the features button again, I also can change my quality, which I don't really usually do. And don't think there's any annotations in this particular video, but that you can always turn this on and off. If I want to cast it and it's Friday night and I want to listen to Professor Sternberg tell me all about CRISPR and play it on my TV, I can do that. I can click on the little cast button. It will look for all the available devices that I can cast to, and then I can just cast on a bigger screen. And of course, I can go full screen as well. Right? So you've got lots of different options with YouTube. You want to share it with a friend? Woo! You can click on share and you can send the video over to them. If you scroll down underneath the video, you'll notice that there's the ability to write comments. So there's a couple people here who have written some comments, so very awesome. And you'll notice also, again, this progress bar at the bottom tells me that I'm right here at the very beginning. So I'm just going to go ahead and click through it and finish watching the video, but that's all right. And you'll see that there are exercises here. So I'm able to connect this to my educators who teach science. This is just the first of many resources that I will share with you. I will see you on the next one. Bye.